In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your status active on Microsoft Teams. This is a handy trick to ensure your status remains active, especially when you're stepping away from your desk, but still want to appear available for urgent matters or meetings. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Teams on your desktop or logging in through your browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, which of course should be your work email and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where all your teams and channels are displayed. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll notice your profile picture or initials in a small circle. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear showing various options related to your account. This menu is your personal command center on Teams, allowing you to manage your profile and settings with ease. Among the options in the drop-down menu is one indicating your current status. Typically this could be active, away or do not disturb, depending on your recent activity. To make changes, click on this status indicator. This act opens another sub-menu that presents all available status options you can choose from. It's a simple yet effective way to communicate your availability to colleagues and team members without having to send messages back and forth. What we're interested in today is the available status. So within this submenu, locate and click on Available. Doing this ensures that your status remains active and visible to others for a longer period, minimizing the chances that you'll inadvertently appear idle or offline. As a little extra tip, maintaining an available status can also help you remain in the loop of ongoing communications and collaborations. However, if you're truly stepping away for a longer period and may not be able to respond promptly, it's a respectful practice to adjust your status to away or do not disturb respectively. This informs your colleagues of your actual availability and helps manage expectations. By following these steps, you can manage your presence on Microsoft Teams effectively, ensuring you stay connected and responsive as needed. It's especially useful in maintaining a professional presence when work requires both online and away from screen tasks. Remember, effective communication is key in any team environment, and managing how you appear online is an integral part of that process.